Have you ever thought about growing exotic fruits in your own backyard? Imagine the thrill of nurturing your own dragon fruit or guava, reaping health benefits and saving money. The joy of harvesting your own fruit is unparalleled. Imagine being able to pluck a fresh dragon fruit or guava from your own garden. Exciting, isn't it? So, what kind of exotic fruits can you grow in your backyard? Well, the options are aplenty. If you're in a warmer climate, dragon fruit and guava thrive beautifully. They're not only vibrant and tasty, but also relatively easy to grow. For those in cooler climates, passion fruit is a great option. It's a hardy plant that can withstand lower temperatures and still produce delicious fruit. Remember, the key is to choose fruits that suit your climate and soil conditions. Now that you've selected your exotic fruit, how do you plant and care for it? Start by digging a hole twice the size of your plant's root ball. Place your plant in the hole and fill it with a mix of garden soil and compost. Water it generously and ensure it gets plenty of sunlight. Remember, different fruits require different soil types, so understand your fruit's needs. Regularly check for pests or diseases. Proper care and patience are crucial in growing your exotic fruit tree. And finally, the rewarding part, harvesting and enjoying your fruits. The timing of your harvest is crucial, usually when the fruit is fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Use a gentle twist and pull method to avoid damaging the tree. The joy and satisfaction of biting into these luscious fruits, grown right in your own backyard, are truly incomparable. Each bite is a testament to your patience and hard work. There's nothing quite like the taste of a fruit you've grown yourself. Growing exotic fruits in your backyard is not only rewarding, but also fun and educational. You've learned how to select, plant, care for, and harvest these unique fruits. Imagine the delight of tasting your own homegrown exotic fruits. Remember, with the right care and patience, you can enjoy the taste of exotic fruits from your own backyard. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.